Video on the product rule, as I said in the last video. Oh, -5. This is okay. So today we're going to talk about the product rule, and this is pretty thick. Jeez, this is pretty thick. Okay, so the product rule of derivative states that, let's say if we have a derivative of y with respect to x of a function of x, f of x, multiplied by g of x. Well, now I'm just using a dot for multiplication. You can use a cross or whatever. Okay, so the derivative of y with respect to x of f of x times g of x. That's a product rule. We know this is equal to f prime of x, which means the derivative with y with respect to x of f of x. I'm so lazy to write. So f prime of x times g of x. Alright, this is not that simple. A little bit hairy right here. So f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. Okay, so that's basically the product rule, right? So we know that the derivative of y with respect to x of f of x times g of x equals f prime of x times g prime of x. F prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x.